I'm going to press play, and then you're going to hear an example of what the acoustics are like in the conference room in Manhattan that we have in our office, our conference room, with our system. So I'm going to try it. Hopefully it works. I'd love to get some feedback, maybe internally from my team, but it'll only take a minute either way. Here we go. How are Raydoors with sound? Listen to my colleagues next door.
It's just the cost of the system. So we remove the cost. So we were in that bundle. We remove the cost of the frame, but we leave everything else. The steps. Plus that. Thank you for the glass. Okay. Thank you.
So I love showing that because clearly it's not a high-tech video. It's just a camera phone. But it really does kind of highlight, a lot of times people get caught up in STC ratings, which are of course done in a completely quiet laboratory environment. And most of us work, operate, and live in spaces with ambient noise. And when there's a certain amount of ambient noise in a space, it's much simpler to create a level of privacy with a lightweight divider within that space. Now, if you have absolutely no sound in a space, and you have hard materials, hard floor, hard walls, no sound absorption, it's going to be very challenging to create a private environment. In our environment, and that you just saw that example, there's server noise, HVAC noise, office chatter, street noise. Those are all the kind of things that can allow and mask enough to create the kind of privacy a lightweight divider can do. So our product's been very successful dividing spaces with an equal function, similar decibel level. So whether it's private dining or office to conference room or office to hallway, there's lots of areas where creating lightweight division and privacy cuts down enough of the sound so that people can get into a zone, either for focus or make a phone call or tune things out.